Hello and welcome to another video. I just wanted to make a little update and thank you video. So apparently you guys took my YouTube channel over 1,000 subscribers already, so I want to thank you all very much. It means a lot to me, and I also love all the comments and interest in the projects that I'm making. And because of that, I also wanted to share some insights again, just updates of what I've been working on behind the scenes. I know the series isn't there yet, it's still work in progress and it will be coming. There are a few things that I want to show you. Something that you apparently like fairly much at this moment is the mini version. I've seen a few printed versions of it already and they are looking great. And as you can probably tell here, there's no backplate on this one because of the design with the grooves. I just wanted to try it out, and I noticed that with some German glue, Alleskleber, you can pretty much glue it together. You don't need a backplate and it stays put just fine. For the bigger one, I wouldn't recommend that. But that made me think. I also mentioned before that I had some things on the way and it still hasn't arrived yet, so that was very unfortunate. I would have loved to have some things a little bit further ahead, but I made a bit of change of plans, and so I started thinking about this one doesn't have a backplate, why do we need a backplate? And it took quite some hours and effort, but with some guidance of one of the Makerworld fellow 3D printer enthusiasts, Wingart, he helped me pitch some ideas and he guided me to a YouTube video, which I will also link here. But it's a sort of slanted dovetail design, and that's what I've been trying to design in Blender as well. It took quite some effort, but I can now connect pieces together that don't fall apart. I made another version that, as you can probably hear, fits together even better. So this is something that I've been working on, and this is it's not a square base, as you can probably tell, but I'm baking pies in the 3D printer now, or at least it looks like a pie to me. But we're going for a round shape, so a round circular wall art is coming up, and this is the first sample piece. As you can see, the back is also sort of like a grid, and that's one thing I found very unfortunate, because with the V1 we had a flat bottom. That means there was no infill needed. Then with the V2, because we needed some height for the edges, I needed to add infill. Otherwise the center parts or in between the grid would be floating. And now this is something I've been trying out and it works fine. This piece has 0 infill. And it works. It also brings some rigidity, so that's very nice as well. But all exciting things to come, and I don't know if I will include this in the series because it's complicated and it's just the first version that I have yet. The circular design is the thing that I wanted to mention will be in the series, just a circular base plate. So you can expect that as well. And I'm going to hopefully print this in the coming days and see what I do with my other backplates that I basically have no use for anymore, but I will find something, I'm sure of it. But I want to see if it's all strong enough to also be able to hang it without a backplate on it. But I have to see and I have to test that. And there's also, this is like the modular pieces of the round shapes are even easier than the square ones, because basically you just get a circle and you print this part 10 times and then you're done. But that means that you have nowhere to hang it from. So I want to create one piece that has a increased structure on the inside so you can hang it as well. But that's still in development. And yeah, so that was it for this video. Just a very quick one, but I really want to thank you all for the love and support. Taking my YouTube channel over 1,000 subscribers. I never imagined that to be able to go so quickly. But yeah, thank you very much. And I hope you liked the progress updates. I'm still writing out the series. And apparently Blender also had a major update in December. And some of the functions that I normally use have changed and I have to rewrite a little bit. Even in opposed to the previous Blender video. Just some tools and standard workflows that I use have changed. But so that was it for this update. I hope you liked it. Let me know in the comments below. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my future content, and I hope to see you in the next one.